I wonder what's new with Zach the Go Animator on YouTube. Oh. He made a new video yesterday. It's called Dora Gets Grounded the Movie. I think I will watch it.
King Sombra. You smell healthy. I am going to ask you to take a shower.
But Twilight Sparkle, I just got on YouTube and went to Zach the Go Animator's YouTube channel. Please let me watch his new video called Dora Gets Grounded the Movie.
King Sombra. You are going to take a shower, and that's final. Go take it now, or else you are grounded.
Fine. All right. First, I will take my clothes off. There. Now I will get in the shower. Okay, I am all done. Now I need to turn the shower off. Oh, the water is still running. Oh no, I broke the shower head, and now there's water all over the floor.
King Sombra. Get downstairs right now. You are in big trouble.
I better get out of the shower and get dressed.
King Sombra. Explain what just happened.
Explain what?
Oh my freaking god. Flash Sentry. Get here quick.
What is it, Twilight Sparkle?
King Sombra was taking a shower, and then he broke the shower head, and now there's water leaking from the ceiling.
King Sombra. I cannot believe you did that. That's it. You are grounded for 421 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now.